Hello everyone! Welcome to Tim and Food. I'm Tim, and I'm presenting some food from the home kitchen today. Turkey burgers simmered in an onion gravy and served with pan-seared Brussels sprouts. Let's not waste any time. I seasoned up a pound of ground turkey before forming into patties. Then got to work on the Brussels sprouts. I halved the sprouts and laid them cut side down in a cold cast iron skillet. My, isn't that pretty? Drizzled with olive oil and seasoned with salt and started the pan on a medium-high heat. Into a preheated stainless steel pan, I added about a tablespoon of oil and then added the turkey burgers. If you're cooking with stainless, you have to remember to preheat the pan before adding the oil. That way, your food won't stick. It's kind of like magic. Turn those Brussels over one by one. There might be a better way to do this, but I haven't figured it out yet, obviously. Speaking of flipping, give those burger patties a flip. Add about 1/4 to 1/2 of a cup of chicken broth to your Brussels sprouts and cover. I don't have a lid big enough for my cast iron, so a cookie sheet had to do. Remove the turkey burgers and set aside on a separate plate. Look at all that glorious brown goodness at the bottom of the pan. That's what we're after. I added 2 onions sliced pole to pole and immediately started moving them around the bottom of the pan to collect that browning, known as fond. I added some pepper from a lightsaber, the Brussels still weren't tender, so I added some more chicken broth and covered again for some extra time in the pan. Sliced a delicious fresh-picked lemon brought to us by family. Thanks again. It was about the juiciest lemon ever. Squeezed that into the pan and added some pickled whole grain mustard, which I made a few days before. A knob of butter and some discussions about sprunkies with my kiddo, if you know, you know. Give the onions an additional stir, then add a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of flour, and start stirring to let the flour absorb all of that butter. Slowly add in some hot chicken stock, stirring frequently, and look, a gravy! Add the patties back into the pan. I added a little water to loosen up the gravy to be sure they were covered while they simmered away. A few splashes of Worcestershire sauce and we're done. I heated up some leftover mashed potatoes, covered them and the turkey patties with gravy, added some Brussels sprouts, and that's dinner. Be sure to drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more food content. Also, be sure to follow me on all the socials for more culinary adventures. See you next time.